Hi guys, it's your favorite teacher, Magnesium, and welcome to Learning Science the Easy Way. So for those that are watching me for the first time, on this platform, I teach sciences, that is junior science, physics, and chemistry. So I'm encouraging you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to receive a notification whenever a new video is posted. In this video, I'm going to talk about the electron arrangement, or the way in which the electrons are arranged in the energy levels. We are looking at the arrangement of electrons in the energy levels. So the way the electrons are arranged in the energy levels is called electron configuration. Which is denoted as EC. So the electron configuration shows how the electrons are arranged in the energy levels, and each shell accommodates a definite number of electrons, or each energy level accommodates a definite number of electrons. For example, for the first 20 elements on the periodic table, the first shell accommodates the maximum number of 2 electrons. So say e.g. first shell accommodates 2. The second one accommodates 8. The third one accommodates 8. So in short, when you're writing the electron configuration, this will give you a guide on how many number of shells that are going to be filled by the electrons. So like in this case, we have the first shell accommodates 2, then the second one 8, the third one 8. This is just applicable to the first 20 elements on the periodic table. Okay, so now let's try to look at this example where we are writing the electron structure for magnesium element or magnesium atom. So we write the electron structure for this atom. So when writing the electron structure, first of all, you have to write the electron configuration, because the electron configuration is a guide to how many number of shells are going to be filled or are going to be accommodated. So now in this case, magnesium has got 12 electrons. So for the first shell, so the electron configuration, so for the first shell, you're going to have 2 electrons and it will be filled. Then the second one, you're going to have 8 and it is occupied. When you add this plus this, you have 10. Then 12 minus 10, you still remain with 2 electrons. Since the second shell is fully filled, the remaining 2 electrons should go into the third shell. So we are going to have 2 electrons there. So the electron configuration gives you a guide that there will be 3 shells that are going to be filled. The first shell will have 2 electrons. The second shell will have 8. The third one is going to have 2. So now from there, you write the structure. For magnesium, so the first shell will have 2 electrons. The second one will have 8 electrons. Then the third one will have 2 electrons. So basically this is the electron structure for magnesium. So we can also look at this one. We want to write the electron structure for chlorine atom. So chlorine atom has got 17 electrons. So these 17 electrons are supposed to be filled in the shells. So when writing the electron structure, we have to write the electron configuration. So the first shell, as usual, 2 electrons. The second one, 8. Then the third one, 7. So when you add 2 plus 8, you have 10. Plus this one, you have 17. So this is the 17. So the electrons have been filled in the energy levels. Now, after they have been filled in the energy levels, that's when you write the electron structure. So now, our electron structure for chlorine will be like this. Okay, that. Okay, so the first shell, 2 electrons. The second shell, 8 electrons. Then the third shell, 7 electrons. Like that. So this is how you show the arrangement of electrons for the first 20 elements on the periodic table, as well as drawing their structures. I hope you followed through. Thank you very much for watching.